Imagine landing in China, stepping into a store, and not even knowing how to ask for water or where the bathroom is. Sounds frustrating, right? Don't worry, today I've got your back. Hey guys, this is Live Smart China, your guide to living smart, saving money, and surviving in China as a foreigner. In this video, I'll teach you 20 essential Chinese words that you absolutely must know before coming to China. Let's jump right into it.
你好，你好。
Hello. Easy, right? Say this when meeting someone. Super common.
谢谢，谢谢。
Thank you. Very useful, especially in shops and restaurants.
不客气，不客气。
You're welcome. Literally means no need to be polite.
对不起，对不起。
Sorry. Use it if you bump into someone or make a mistake.
没关系，没关系。
It's okay. You'll hear this a lot in response to sorry.
厕所，厕所。
Toilet. Trust me, this one will save you.
水，水。
Water. Especially important in the summer.
饭，饭。
Meal or rice. It appears in many food-related phrases.
钱，钱。
Money. You'll need this for everything.
多少钱，多少钱。
How much? Super useful in markets.
地铁，地铁。
Subway. One of the easiest and fastest ways to get around.
公交车，公交车。
Bus is cheaper, but you need to know the routes.
左，左。
Left. Got it.
右，右。
Right. Easy.
走，走。
Walk or go. Use it with directions like go left or go straight.
买，买。
Buy. Just point and say,
这个。
this one. Extremely handy in markets or stores.
不要，不要。
Don't want. Useful if someone tries to sell you something you don't need.
辣，辣。
Spicy. Many Chinese dishes are spicy.
不辣，不辣。
Not spicy. Lifesaver if you can't handle the heat. That's it. 20 Chinese words you need to survive your first days in China. With just these, you can handle food, transport, shopping, and emergencies. Which word did you find most useful? Comment below. I'd love to know. And if you want a part 2 with common Chinese phrases and sentences, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Live Smart China, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos about surviving and thriving in China. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.